The 2026 Renault Clio proves that true automotive evolution often happens deep beneath the sheet metal, offering a highly sophisticated modular architecture that transforms how this everyday vehicle behaves on the tarmac. Examining the underlying framework reveals extensive platform and chassis upgrades utilizing the latest iteration of the globally recognized CMF-B architecture, engineered specifically to accommodate both advanced electrification and engaging handling characteristics. At the heart of this specific model sits a complex 1.6-liter naturally aspirated four-cylinder engine paired directly with dual electric motors, producing a total system output of 140 horsepower and 205 Newton-meters of combined torque. Managing this intricate powertrain is an incredibly clever multi-mode automatic transmission that utilizes 4 distinct gear ratios for the combustion engine and 2 separate ratios for the primary electric motor, ensuring optimal power delivery at all speeds without using a traditional clutch. According to official engineering figures, the 0 to 100 km/h run takes exactly 9.9 seconds. Because the upgraded platform was designed with hybrid batteries in mind from day one, the rear trunk volume remains highly usable at 301 liters, avoiding the severe cargo penalties seen in older retrofitted hybrid designs. Looking closely at the exterior design, the upgraded chassis allows for slightly wider front and rear tracks, pushing the stylish 18-inch lightweight alloy wheels further out to the extreme corners of the bodywork. This wider stance is complemented by a completely redesigned lower front grille that actively channels cooling air toward the hybrid components, and exceptionally sharp LED matrix headlights that seamlessly integrate into the wider, more aggressive front fenders. Moving inside the cabin, the benefits of the elongated wheelbase provided by the updated platform become incredibly obvious through significantly improved rear legroom and overall structural refinement. The interior utilizes heavily insulated acoustic glass and dense sound-absorbing dashboard materials, drastically reducing the amount of road noise that penetrates the cabin at highway speeds. The center console sits higher, bringing the massive 12-inch high-definition infotainment screen closer to the driver, providing a highly ergonomic command center for tweaking the customizable steering and throttle response modes. From a pure driving dynamics standpoint, looking purely at the mechanical blueprints, the chassis upgrades are monumental for a car this size. The entire underbody has been stiffened using ultra-high-strength steel, which drastically reduces chassis flex when cornering aggressively. The suspension engineers have completely recalibrated the front McPherson struts with thicker, anti-roll bars, while the rear torsion beam has been re-engineered to provide a much more compliant ride over broken city streets without introducing unwanted body roll. The electrically assisted power steering system features a newly programmed faster ratio, making the front end feel incredibly eager to dive into tight corners, while providing artificially weighted feedback that builds naturally as cornering forces increase. This comprehensive overhaul of the invisible components results in a deeply satisfying daily driver that feels incredibly planted at high speeds, yet remains remarkably nimble and light on its feet when navigating crowded urban streets, delivering a mature driving experience that far exceeds its compact footprint.